The Wye Valley and the Forest of Dean have long been my go-to place for some peace, serenity and me time. It's been a difficult year, so today I've come here for a bit of woodland walk therapy. The Japanese have a name for immersing yourself in the world of trees: Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. But taking woodland walks for personal well-being is probably as old as the trees themselves.
This is just lovely. You don't have to get far into the forest before you start to appreciate just what it can do. I think there is a sense about woodlands like this, particularly ancient woodlands, that just wants to embrace you. The smell of trees, the smell of the litter. Already, I feel that all the things that trouble me are being left behind. Look at this. A pencil-straight redwood. I just want to kind of touch it. The texture of the bark and the trunk, it's almost kind of woolly. It's like it's got fur. Many associate this species of tree with wellness and well-being, and there's no getting away from the fact when you get the chance to touch one and feel it, it does feel good. Listen. Just the rustle of the wind through these trees, shedding the last of their summer leaves. And here they all are, look, littering the forest floor. You know, sometimes people get a bit down at this time of year. You know, the best of the year's gone, we're heading into the depths of winter. But actually, it's all part of the process of renewal. This has been quite a year for me in one way or another. My father died almost a year to the day today. And I don't think I've ever really quite come to terms with that or really grieved for him. One of the last times I came here, I had my youngest Labrador, Teddy, with me. Teddy's now no longer with us either. We've lost both of them. And yeah, I found myself today almost looking around for him. We just keep going. And we look to the sun. And we look to the next sunrise. Just look at this great oak. I mean, older than I'll ever probably live to be. And yeah, it's lost a few branches and some limbs over the years, but it's striving upwards towards those blue skies and the clouds above. Isn't that a great metaphor for life? Regardless of adversity, you just keep going.